my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. How the hell today? Just a quick update. We're getting ready to redo all the wiring in the truck. And we still waiting on 4 rolls to come in. So we got a total of 6 rolls of wire coming in. So hopefully it'll be enough. I think that'll be enough. We're gonna redo this truck here, everything in it, this white truck. Then of course, we're gonna do this truck right here when it get done. So once we get done with this, wiring this up, we'll be complete here, and hopefully we'll have some wire left to do this one. So we should be good to go. Just a quick update. I'll leave the links down below for y'all to pick up everything. Of course, y'all see I got this SMD shrink wrap right there with the gold, with the shiny gold on it. And I got the one on white wire right there. I'm gonna leave the link down below for y'all can grab some of that if you need it. So be sure to stay tuned. Just a quick update video. I like to throw a couple videos in there. When the rest of the stuff come in tomorrow, we'll do some more videos, another video as well. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe, be sure to hit that notification bell, share the videos, and tell a friend or whatnot, so we can grow the channel or whatnot. And I sure appreciate what y'all do. And y'all know we're gonna DIY this thing. I don't know everything. And of course I got some of these Sound Cube RCAs right here with the right angle on one end and the regular end on the other one. Of course I got that, and of course I got the ZVL right here, DD audio, to match the gain match the amps, so I can do so it'll make it a lot easier on me. So when I do that, I'm running 1 per sub. So we got that right there, and that'll help me as well when it's time for me to I'm planning on running a couple of other amps too. Like I might swap these out for a little while and try some other amps to see how they do, because we already know that that'll probably work pretty good. Those 2 solid 8s, 1 solid 8 per sub, we know that'll probably work okay. So we know that'll work. So we don't want to try some other stuff as well, like some little smaller amps, and see how they perform on the channel, just to give them a test. And that way, you know it'll work for you. So we might run some smaller amps to just see what it'll do. Of course, we know the bigger amps, we know it'll work, but we want to get them small amps a run and see what they do. So I'm looking to pick up a couple of those white JP23s. We're gonna do something real crazy, like 1 of those per coil, and see what it does. And we're gonna use this box right here and see what we can game match that, how we need it. We're not gonna scrap them, no, we're gonna game match, and that should make the job easier. So hopefully so. Let me know if y'all running 1 of those in the comments. I'm gonna leave the links down below so you can pick up wire, all of this stuff y'all see in the video. I'm gonna try to leave the links right down below, right below the video. Use those to support the channel. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. Please like, subscribe, share the videos. See y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.